Hey, what's up, guys? Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of nanotechnology and how it's revolutionizing our planet. Now, when we talk about nanotech, we're dealing with things on a scale so small, it's mind-blowing. We're talking 1/1000th of a meter small. That's like comparing a marble to the size of Earth. So, why does this matter? Well, imagine materials stronger than steel, but lighter than paper. Think about medical treatments that can target individual cells without harming the rest of your body. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. One of the coolest applications is in medicine. Ever heard of nanobots? These tiny robots can navigate through your bloodstream to deliver drugs directly to cancer cells, potentially minimizing side effects. It's like having a precision strike team inside your body. Amazing, right? Then there's the world of electronics. Nanotech is enabling the creation of faster, more efficient, and smaller devices. Think about your smartphone. Thanks to nanotechnology, the chips inside are getting smaller and more powerful, allowing for longer battery life and sleeker designs. We're talking cutting-edge advancements that make your tech life smoother and more seamless. And let's not forget about the environment. Nanotech is being used to clean up pollutants and even create more efficient solar panels. Imagine a world where our energy solutions are not only powerful, but also eco-friendly. That's the promise of nanotechnology. The potential is enormous, and we're just scratching the surface. From self-healing materials to ultra-sensitive sensors, the possibilities are endless. It's an exciting time to be a tech enthusiast as we witness these tiny innovations making a huge impact on our world. So, next time you hear about nanotechnology, remember, it's not just tiny tech, it's big impact. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.